Hello my friends. Today I want to show you, before we start with the painting, I want to show you the dried results of these two paintings, the double blooms. Let me get you a close-up. Look at that, isn't it beautiful? This was using the turquoise cell activator. I think I like it this way. I don't know. Let's see. Have to wait till it goes into a frame to see. And the other one I did is this one. Now my phone kept doing weird things and did not really, it was cutting out now and then. So part of the video is missing, sorry. But I'm gonna put them both in this video with the description and everything you need to know down in the box. So let's get painting. Hello my friends, this is Lucy from Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance. Welcome, I'm so happy you're here. Today we're going to be doing on a 12 by 24 a bloom just using these three colors. We're going to start off with Amsterdam Naples. Amsterdam or Liquitex? I'm not sure, I'll have to check. And then we have Red Violet by Amsterdam. And then this is a custom purple. So I've sprayed the back of my canvas with some water to tighten it a little bit. My pillow paint will be Multi-Pro, PPG Multi-Pro, though I think they're discontinuing it. So I'd probably go back to Glidden's. Well, let's start again. This time I'll make my petals not off to the edge quite so much, maybe right here. And that's our Naples yellow. And then Red Violet. Whoa, lots of bubbles. Man, lots of bubbles. That's a big petal. And then our custom lavender. All right, black cell activator. One last torch. Now this bloom is a big bloom. Okay, here we go. Okay, and there's lots of black in the middle. That's okay. We'll just let it, while I'm doing my next bloom, we'll just let it kind of do its thing. It will get smaller in the middle. Okay, let's do the next one. Naples yellow. And Red Violet. our custom lavender. Okay, oxide black cell activator. Here we go. All right, that's beautiful. See how the black has gotten really small in the center there? So I just need to let this do its thing also. Let me see if any. Not too many air bubbles this time. I cannot believe that my phone turned off. This is so gorgeous. And here I've been talking to you and my phone's been off, which is my camera. Hello my friends, I'm back. We're gonna use the same colors. We're gonna do it again. I loved so much the last double bloom that I did. I wanna do it again and just see what kind of composition we get. So this is a 12 by 24 again. We're gonna start off with Amsterdam Naples and Amsterdam Red Violet. And then this is a custom color, Lavender Purple. All right. Let's do this. Okay, start our puddles of color. I'm going to start out with my Naples yellow. We're going to do it right here. Adding quite a bit, getting down towards the end of it, I think. And then my Amsterdam Red Violet. Love this color combination. And then my custom lavender. I've had it for quite a while. I don't even know what it is. All right. You know, I'm going to try something different. Last time I used oxide black for the cell activator, but you know what? I'm going to use golden steel. And we will see. Let me pop some bubbles. We will just see how this looks. I don't know. But should be fun to find out, right? My blow dryer is the flower, and I use it on low, and I usually use it upside down. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. A little bit more. Oh, so pretty. Let me see how much. I do like that teal cell activator. Paint. Well, spend just a little bit more. Oh, that's really nice. I don't really see it moving much, so I think we're good. Yes! Whoopee! I'm happy. This must have had a lot, the one where I used up all the yellow, because there's a whole lot in there. Yes, I like it. I like it a lot. I will get you down for a close-up, and I wish you the most wonderful day, and God bless you.